Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to check your mobile memory, that what files are occupying how much space and what files are located in which folder. To do that, you can do the actions on your mobile app, but I have connected my mobile app to phone link to my laptop, and I'm going to search through Windows on my laptop. So you see, this is the app tab of my mobile. This is the photo tab, and this is the messages tab. And being on the apps tab, I can maximize this to full screen. If I maximize this, then there is the phone. If I click on the phone screen, I'll it will show me the home tab of my phone. I just want to open the screen on my mobile. So now my mobile screen is unlocked, and this is the home screen of my mobile. You see, I have adjusted my apps this way. Now I click on this dotted to go to uh, my apps page on my mobile. So this is my mobile apps page, and in order to search through the internal memory, I click on the Samsung folder, and within Samsung folder I have my files over here. So I can click on this, or you can simultaneously do that on your laptop screen by dragging down it here, and here is my files as well. So if I open that from here, or I open from this screen of my mobile, both will take me to the same place. But since you will be doing on your mobile, therefore I would like to click this one file. If I double click this, it takes me to this screen, and you see here 57.04 GB out of 256 GB. That is the total memory internal storage of my mobile is 256 GB, and 57 GB is occupied. It provides me further details that the SD card is not inserted, and these are the other online memories, OneDrive and Google Drive. And I can see further if I click on the internal storage further details that it is here is DC my folder, documents, download, music, picture, recording, and on this side they show me the details of the files that are inside these folders. But I want to see something else. So I come over here, and in order to drag down the menu, it is not done by the mouse is not dragging it down. So I come to the down button on my keyboard. If I click the down button, it will go down through the menu as it is. Here is the recycle bin, and finally I am on the manage storage. So if I click on this, I come to the internal storage of my mobile, and it provides further details. Here you see 22% of the available space is used, which is totally 256 GB, and how much this space is reserved for 15.81 GB is occupied by videos, 543 megabyte by images, and similarly 204 megabytes by documents, and 124 megabytes by audio files. And if I click on the arrow over here, it will take me to the page where further details of the occupation is available. So we have WhatsApp videos. There are 346 WhatsApp video, camera videos, and other files. This is the further detail. Similarly, I can go through images, and through the images folder, these are the different folders in which different images are there, and you see 408 files are in WhatsApp images folder, and in camera folder there are 123 images. So I can again press the down key on my keyboard to go down through the list that what are here next. So there is large files. 14.06 GB space is occupied by files whose individual memory is greater than 25 megabyte. If I click on this, it takes me to these files. So this is one file which is 1.19 GB, and then there is 612 GB. If I click down, I'll go through the files, 15 files that occupies the largest space. So these are the files. This is further details of the files. Over 200 memory files, and if I go back in the upward direction, 300 memory files, and so it gives me the different 400 memory files and 600 memory files, and then the GB files. They are arranged in different groups based on the range of memories. So I go back and would finish the video by saying that this way you can check the occupied memory of your mobile by different files, that is videos, images, documents, and audio files. Thanks for watching.